Welcome to solverfy.
Hey everyone, today we're solving problem number 14, which asks us about the HHI, which is the Herfindahl-Hirshman Index. It asks us, apologize if I mispronounced that name, but essentially it asks us to show how you measure this index and then what does a low number on the index indicate about the competition in the market. So the generic formula for the Herfindahl-Hirshman Index, again, I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, is it's going to be adding the squares of the market shares of each firm in the industry. So what that looks like is I would have a share, so like we'll call that S sub 1, one of the market shares, and I'd have to square that. And then I'd be adding a second share in the same industry. Again, square that, add a third one, and so on and so forth. Number squaring each number. So generically what I can do is I can just say it's plus S sub n. So whatever that shared number is in the market for that particular industry and squaring that number. So that's basically how you calculate it. Remember, it's adding the squares of the market shares of each firm. And then what does a low number mean? So if I have a low number on the index, in terms of competition, it means it's going to be closer, not actually to monopolies, which have zero competition, as you might think. It's actually going to be closer to perfect competition, where there are many, many firms all competing. So what we can say is the lower the number on the Herfindahl-Hirshman, again, I'm really sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, but the closer the number on the HHI index is to zero, we can just generalize. When it's lower, there's going to be higher competition. And I forgot to write that it would be closer to perfect competition. Perfect competition on the scale itself is 0, and I believe 10,000 is the mark for what a monopoly is. So you can get a sense of like where competition would lie. So obviously, if we have a high number on the HHI, that is indicative of the fact that it's closer and closer to a monopoly. So there you have it. If you guys enjoyed this video explanation, please hit the like button next to it. I hope you all have a nice day, and thank you for watching.